Today we are checking out the Jikara 61-key portable electronic keyboard piano, an all-in-one beginner's kit that lights up your learning, literally, with illuminated full-size keys and ships with everything you need: stand, stool, headphones, microphone, note stickers, and more. Key features and specifications. This keyboard packs 61 lighted, full-size keys paired with an easy-read LCD display. Under the hood you'll find 255 tones, 255 rhythms, 50 demo songs, and 61 percussion effects. 3 dedicated teaching modes guide you note by note, while functions like record playback, tempo control, metronome, sustain, vibrato, split, transpose, and memory let you customize your practice. 2 built-in stereo speakers project your sound, and you can plug in the included headphones or mic for silent jamming or singing along. Price. Right now, the Jikara 61-key bundle runs around $159.99 for a brand new kit which is a strong value given all the accessories and features. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the light-up keys and 3 teaching modes make learning intuitive, and the full accessory package means zero gear hunting. On the downside, the app's plastic build can feel a bit cheap. Some keys sit unevenly, speakers may buzz at high volume, and the X stand and stool aren't the sturdiest under heavier use. Customer reviews summary. With 964 reviews and a 4.5-star average, buyers rave about the ease of setup, the engaging lighted key learning system, and the kit's completeness. Critics point to occasional quality control hiccups, loose keys, or flimsy hardware, but most agree it's a terrific starter pack. Should you buy it or not? If you are a true beginner looking for an affordable, plug-and-play way to learn piano with built-in guidance and all the essentials, the Jikara 61-key kit is a no-brainer. However, if you crave solid feel keys, pro-grade hardware, or powerhouse speakers, you may want to invest in a higher-end model down the road. For getting your musical journey off the ground, though, this bundle really delivers.